Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see potential energy. Okay. In the last lecture I discussed about equipotential surfaces and I told that in the strong electric field region the equipotential surfaces are close to each other. Okay. And in weak electric field region the equipotential surfaces will be at separation, at large separation. Okay. So in the last class I told that first point, in strong electric field region, the equipotential surfaces are close to each other. Okay, and in weak electric field region the equipotential surfaces are at large separation. Okay, these are the two very important points. So now we will discuss potential energy. So electric potential difference we have discussed. Potential means work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Okay. So what about potential energy? So potential energy for a system of charges. Okay. So potential energy means it is also the work done, but not for unit positive charge. It is the work done to bring any point charge from infinity to that point. Okay. So potential energy means it is the work done to bring a point charge. So that point charge can be plus or minus. So I am taking plus minus Q2. Okay. So it is the work done to bring a point charge from infinity to a point in the electric field region of a source charge suppose I am taking it Q. Okay, so it is the work done to bring a point charge, not unit positive charge, to bring any charge, but it should be point charge from infinity to a point in the electric field region of a source charge Q1. Okay, and it is denoted by capital U. Okay, so what will be its formula? Its formula will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square R. So potential equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R. Here we have to consider positive negative sign. Okay, if Q2 is negative then we have to put here negative. If Q2 is positive, Q1 is also positive, then we have to put here positive. Okay, so this is the mathematical expression for potential energy of these two system of charges Q1 and Q2. Okay, and as it is the energy, so its unit will be what? Unit will be joule. Okay, joule in SI system. Another important unit it has, that is electron volt, that is EV. Okay, and the relation is 1 electron volt equal to what? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This thing you have already done in class 10, so I am not going in details of this. So this is the formula, and we have to consider here plus minus sign. Okay, so if we consider plus minus sign, then can be positive, U can be negative, potential energy can be positive, potential energy can be negative. So what does this mean? Positive potential energy, negative potential energy, this means what? Okay, so I am writing it here. If U is positive, okay, if U is positive, positive potential energy means the energy stored in the system of charges. The energy stored in the system of charges. Okay, if this is positive, energy stored in this system of charges means Q1, Q2. And if U is negative, that means the energy lost in the system of charges. Okay, so if we bring that point charge from infinity and we are seeing that U is positive, that means in that system energy is stored. And if I see that U is negative, then energy lost from that system. Okay, so these are the two significance of U, potential energy. Okay, now potential energy, if it is in free space, then it will be epsilon 0. Okay, if it is not a free space, then it will be, then U will be in any medium. Okay, it will be 1 by 4 pi capital K epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R. Okay, so K is what? Dielectric constant. K is what? Dielectric constant. K is dielectric constant and it is always greater than 1. So potential energy will decrease in any other medium. Okay. So these are the basic things of potential energy when we consider only these two charges. One charge produces electric field region and another charge is brought from infinity into that field region. Okay. So in short form we can write it like this, that potential energy equal to what? Potential due to source charge. This part is what? Basically this part is what? Q1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is the potential due to source charge. So potential due to source charge. Okay, potential due to source charge here Q1 into what? Into Q2 means test charge. Here it is Q2. Okay, so in this form we can also write this. Okay, so this is the basic formula only. Then now we will solve few numericals. Okay, so this is one numerical. Find the electrostatic potential energy of 2 point charges 1 microcoulomb each placed 1 meter apart in air. Air means what? Air means what? Air means dielectric constant 1. Okay, so just use the formula, and this question came in the year 2017. Okay, so potential energy, what is the formula? Potential energy equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 means what? 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 Q2 both are 1 microcoulomb. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 Q1 Q2 by R means 1 meter. Okay, potential energy all are in SI system, so it will be joule. Okay, so 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6, it will be 10 to the power minus 12 joule. That means it will be 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Okay, this is positive. That means what? Energy is stored in the system of these two charges. Okay, energy stored. This is the first problem. Now we will see our second problem. So this is our second problem. 2 point charges of 10 coulomb each are kept at a distance of 3 meter in vacuum. Calculate their electrostatic potential energy. Same kind of problem, and it came in the year 2015. Okay. So how will you solve? The same way in vacuum. Vacuum means K equal to 1. So potential energy equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 means 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 Q2 both are 10 coulomb here. So 10 into 10 by distance 3. Unit will be joule. So 3, 9, 3. So it will be 3 into 10 to the power 9, 10, 11. 10 to the power 11 joule. Again it is positive. That means energy stored in the system of two charges. Okay. Now we will see our last problem. So now this is third numerical. An electron revolves around the nucleus of hydrogen atom in a circular orbit of radius 5 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Calculate electrostatic potential energy of the hydrogen nucleus and electron system. Okay. So these are similar kind of problem, and this came in the year of 2010. Okay, this came in the year of 2010. So how will you solve it here? So this is two things. This is nucleus, and there is one electron. Okay, one electron. So nucleus means positive charge, electron negative charge. Hydrogen atom means proton 1, electron 1. So these are the two things, two charges. So Q1 here, Q1 is, suppose this is positive, that means plus 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 charge of proton, and Q2 is electron, so minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the radius is 5 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Okay, so potential energy is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, Q2 is minus, so it is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 by R. R means 5 into 10 to the power minus 11. Unit will be joule. Okay, here one minus sign, so we will get negative sign here. Okay, now calculate it, everyone calculate it. You will get what? 4.608 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. Okay, so here we are getting negative potential energy. That means what? That means we can tell energy is lost in this system of charges. Okay, energy is lost in the system of charges. So these are basically three numericals. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see potential energy of a system of charges, not two charges there, more than two charges. How will you find the potential energy of that kind of system? That is very, very important. Suppose three charges are given, three charges are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Find the potential energy of that system. How will you find? So that we will do in the next lecture. Understand? So these are the things from potential energy definition and potential energy due to two charges. Okay, positive potential energy, negative potential energy. What are their significance? Okay, these are important parts. Understand?